Hi, my name is Brandy. I'm in the CAD Plus program, and this machine is in the wood shop. We take that and we go into drafting and we put every measurement on the paper. Then we transfer that to the program NX, and then we do all the dimensions. And then when we're done with that, we could 3D print the product to show other people. This part I struggled here the most because there's different shapes and dimensions that we need to transfer here, as you can see. Here is one of my first models that I worked on. So first, we had to get sketches of the CNC router. So we have two right here. It was just like a bunch of rectangles at first, and over time I went back and added more details. This part especially took a lot of time to figure out. Here's some photos of the machine. And then compare it to the models I made.
This is the equipment I am modeling. It's a 3D printer, and this is the draft that we made. This over here is the design I am still working on, and it's going very well in my opinion. This is one of the models I'm still working on. It's a countertop for the workshops, and
this is something that I worked on during the 90 hours that I was here. This is a joiner that's in the wood shop. First we started with some sketches and some dimensions, and we took pictures for references. Over here I have the model that I created using the dimensions and pictures and references, and I put some detail into it, like screws and the back panel and just a lot of stuff. There is stuff that isn't on there that I'll be putting on there while I'm still here. And this is a 3D model that we printed to see what it would look like.
And this experience is really fun to come and experience everything, because in the future I want to become an engineer, and this here helped me, is part of what I want to do in the future.
I had a lot of fun in this internship, and I definitely recommend it to others. I've told a lot of my friends about it already. You really get to learn a lot, and it's not like you're just sitting down doing boring work all day. It's something you're actually interested in, and you get paid for it, so that's a plus.
I think whoever wants to learn designing and 3D design, they should learn from here.
It was a lot of fun being here for the 90 hours, and I learned a lot, things I never knew before and things I never knew I had to know. It was a lot of work, but it was a lot of fun, and I would recommend this to anybody from my school or my friends or anyone in general, because it was a lot of fun and you learn so much, and I want everyone to experience what I experienced here, because you will enjoy it.